Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aditi Kumari from BCA batch, from BCA preview batch first. Today, I am here to tell you about comparison between human brain and computer. So let's start. Firstly, we will know what is computer. Computer is an electronic machine that receives data, process it according to a set of instructions, store information, and produce result. But human brain does not work like a computer. So my first point is working. Brain works using electrochemical signal. Brain works biologically using neurons. Process information through electrochemical signal. Brain can make decision on its own. But computer works using electrical signal. Computer works electronically using processor and circuit. Process information through binary signals. A computer is artificial and work only as instructed, but human brain is natural and self-learning. Second point is intelligence. Brain has natural intelligence and common sense. It can learn, understand, think, and analyze. Brain can make decisions on its own. It learning from experience and surrounding. But computer does not. Computer is artificial intelligence. It cannot think on its own. Work only on given human input. Third point is learning. Brain can learn and understand. It can learn from experience and surrounding. It can make decisions in new situations. But computer follow instruction only. Learning depends on algorithm, data, and program. It cannot make decision on its own. Fourth point is emotions. Brain has emotions such as happiness, sadness, fear, anger. Emotion influence thinking, behavior, and decision making. But computer works only on logic. It cannot feel happiness, sadness, and fear. It may simulate emotions through programming like emojis response, but does not feel them. Fifth point is creativity. Brain is creative, means it has original creativity. It can create new ideas, art, invention. Creativity is influenced by experience, imagination, but computer cannot imagine. It means computer can create only content through programming, data, and algorithm. Sixth point is a speed and accuracy. Brain is slower and make mistakes. It works very limited a speed. A speed decreases through emotions and distraction. Accuracy is affected by distraction, but computer is faster and more accurate. Means it work very high speed. It perform million of calculation in per second. Accuracy remains same if the program and input are correct. Seventh point is working hours. Brain works 24 hours even during sleeping, but its efficiency decreases without proper rest. It needs rest and sleeping, but computer can be switched off and switched on whenever we required. Computer does not need rest. Efficiency remains same if they properly maintained. Eighth point is maintenance. Brain is hard to repair, means it cannot be repaired, replaced, or updated. But computer is easy to repair. It can be replaced, repaired, and updated. It needs electricity and proper hardware care. So overall, computer is more powerful in speeds and accuracy, while human brain is more powerful in creativity and thinking. Thank you for listening me. If you have any questions, so ask me.
Give a mic to
As you say, brain has natural intelligence and computer has artificial intelligence. What is the basic difference between natural intelligence and artificial intelligence?
Natural intelligence means if we learn from experience by on thinking, it's called natural. But artificial means if we instructed and program in computer anything like like addition. If we add 2 plus 3, then we give an instruction in the computer. Then we add. It's called artificial.
That means she wanted to say that computer perform their work based on the program given or program fed it. But the human brain is, as he said, that human brain is having their own intelligence. They can take the input, they can think about it, and as per the situation, they can give certain result. But the computer always perform based on the predefined program, right? I think you wanted to ask this question. Now she's also having another question. You ask your question.
Why computer cannot work without any instruction?
Because computer is invented by human, and a
Anybody else who can answer this question? Again, you ask your question, so things will be clear.
Why
Ah,
why computer cannot work without any instruction?
Because it is programmed by the user.
just a minute.
Because it is programmed by the user, so it can't be available by the instruction or worked by the instruction.
So possible answer is it is an electronic device, and it operated with electricity and human inventions and anything.
No, actually, your question is obviously computer cannot perform anything by their own. Computer is going to perform only those things which has been instructed in the form of programs. If the program is given, then only your input will be processed. If the program is not there for your input, it will not process anything. But the human being has their own intelligence. So based on their own intelligence, they can perform the job. Right? This could be the ideal answer for this question. Okay. Aditi, it was a very nice presentation from your side. Presentation style was good, and you were confident during the presentation. Thank you very much.